So because of the weed conditions, I've decided to use a heli setup. I'll talk you through the setup itself. So here you can see I'm using a heli setup. This is the naked chod. So with the lead attached to the bottom, this will just simply hit to the bottom. And then with the barrels here, this is where I can adjust. This is just purely because my rig will sit on top of the weed bed, and here I can just adjust like how high I want it to sit on. Just be mindful, when the fish does take this, the barrel will actually go down to the bottom, so if you're doing a recast now, just remember to adjust it to the appropriate height. It's just a standard spinner rig, so it's nothing even too complicated, to be honest. So for my hook bait, I've chosen to use yellow pop-ups once again, just because for me they're effective, they're bright, in the face, and like I say, they've done me well in the past, so why wouldn't I keep using them? I do also choose to use this bait spray, the bulb spray. Yeah, like I say, once again, this has given me quite a lot of success because it's a very strong lasting smell. So that's why I prefer to use it. And as well, occasionally I do like to use mould boilies, so it makes sense really. So I pre-made some PVA bags, you can see here. If you check out my Man of Farm video, it's the same sort of mix, how I made that. But yeah, just a quick rundown. You got pellet maize, crushed up boilies, etc. I'm attaching these for this session just because I don't want to over bait it. I just want like a little bit of the same spot baited up. So I've been seeing some fish activity right at the back by the pad, so decided to give it a few casts and clip up there. So unfortunately, Lewis lost one. And then for some reason, the bad luck had to continue.
Oh. Bit off.
Oh, I think come off.
Oh no.
As the day was almost over, something changed.
Yep, So I'm gonna oh, he's not bad. He's not bad.
Cut on those rods. Not much bigger, but I don't care at this point.
That's it. Rod back. Breathe in.
We've done it. Alright, so a mid-double common. Not bad at all, to be fair, especially after the one we lost. Yeah, on the yellow pop-up, and had to fish quite tight, locked up, because I was fishing right by the pads. I know a little bit risky, and earlier of course I lost it. So this time I was just on it and I just had to bully it out, and finally it's paid off just as the light is going now. So pretty happy, not going to blank today, and we're going to send him on his way because of the heat. But yeah, regardless, still happy with it. Gone straight away. We take it.
Oh, it's early. I want to go to bed. Sweating my nut off in the sleeping bag. I've got a carp.
Come on. So unfortunately, Lewis lost one.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's pitch black on the thing.
It's going, it's going. It's going.
You in?
I'm in.
was just weed as well. What is going on?
You're in?
Yeah, we can watch out the...
Yeah, I have to watch out for the
I
paper.
I'm in, you know.
Good sake.
Oh, yeah, a bit of picking.
Yes.
Doesn't feel too big. I'll take the fish.
Could be a tench. They'll take anything after the struggles we've had. Always some food going on.
Yeah, if you want to catch a fish, just put it on the stove.
Ooh. Nice, nice. He's in, yes. No blanket this session. Oh, get
We
it.
love it.
Yes, no blanket.
Yeah, nice little 14-pound common over at the far pads. Threw it out at first light this morning with a little yellow 12mm pop-up. It just took off, pulled him out of the pads, had a little fight with him in front of the swim.
Finally, no blanket.
Yeah, no blanking today. Oh, there he goes.
Few moments later.
What is this? Go on,
I think
Jack.
it's the same fish. What an idiot.
Older, isn't it? Nah. Well done, Lewis, once again.
Thank you, Shane. Yeah, just a little 8-pound common. Not as big as the last one, but still welcome. Back over to the far pads, this time on my other rod. It's nice to get on both rods.
And yet again on yellow pop-ups.
Yeah, small little yellow pop-up. Came about 15-20 minutes after the first one I had, so a bit of action in a short base of time.
Keep them coming. Rod just shot off.
Maybe I should get some back rests.
Yeah, I told ya. Fighting. Ooh. Yeah, it is. Great, there we go. There it is.
Cool. Right, we have an hour to go. Just thought I'd pack everything up, carrying the bucket of bait back to my brolly. My rod shot off, nearly came off the rest. Definitely feel I need some back rests. Yeah, little 10-pound common.
Proper good fight though, didn't it?
Yeah,
Wiped me out.
wiped Shane out, went straight for the pads, went straight for the pads again, had to bully out, completely solid at one point, but yeah, really happy with this one.
Good fishing pays off.
Yeah, definitely. There he goes.
Well done, Lewis. Well, since Lewis has had the lucky day today, he's been very generous to just let me go on the rod. Feel a little bit cheating, but you know, we take it, it's right near the end. And his rod did just shoot off. I'm hoping it's still on there. Like I say, we have that trouble with the weed, so just be very mindful. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Glow is something to keep. I'm tired of running, I'm weak. I'm diving into your ocean, darling. I'm drowning in you, drowning in you.
Awesome mirror.
Mirror.
Oh my god. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, Lewis, this is still the mirror.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, like I said before, it's just look at this. It's a beautiful mirror, to be honest. Regardless, it's what, £9, but I take it. You know, it's not always about the size; it's the look as well. That's what we're here for. Yeah, the fight was pretty incredible. Had to proper bully that one in, and even when we got him on the bank, he's so much energy just reserved. But like I say, more than happy. Wow, look at that. You can just see that energy in them right till the end.